How you mean?
What you mean?
Go-kart business, you see? I could drive past everybody. Drive off!
So you think?
Don't stop at all!
Cook and vibe, go-karting. LB General, Snatchy, the man over there. You get me? Why are you confident?
Come on.
Yeah.
Gonna win. I've been doing it all my life.
Alright then. We'll see what I've got. Compare man are going on like they're bouncy right now. You get me? Yeah. Outside. You know the girl them outside. Yeah.
How you mean?
What you mean?
Go-kart business, you see? I could drive past everybody. Drive off!
So you think?
Don't stop at all!
That's what you think. That's what you think. Man live there, worry man, collect four, that's my team, you get me? That's my fucking team, bro.
Hey!
Oh shit.
What'd you say?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to the police.
Fuck, you know, how did you manage to get in here?
It just
Get out of the way, like. I didn't do too well, people. I didn't do too well. I'm right near the bottom, but I try to go sometimes, you know. You can't win everything in our life, isn't it? Yeah, that's the other half of Cook and Vibe. He don't care because he's masked up. He won. He always wins. Look at this. Oh, wicked. Look at this. Is it me? You don't know, we got Snatchy, we got Sticks, we got LB General. Connect 4 thinks he's a bad boy because he won, but I knew he was going to win anyway. But why, people, we are back in the kitchen. Yeah, we're back in the kitchen. Why, don't know anything, set man. So, all right. So, I hope you enjoyed the little go-karting thing. You see me? Big up Connect 4, he won. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking, well, can't just end the episode without cooking no food. You know what I'm saying? So I thought, hot dogs. Let's cook some hot dogs. You know we don't do it the normal way. So what we're going to do is do just some like crazy toppings of some hot dogs and just get creative with the toppings. You know what I'm saying? So YI is Cook and Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share all these things. It's going to get complicated now. All right, it's going to get a little bit complicated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through all the little different toppings that we're going to put on the hot dogs. You know how to cook hot dogs. Really simple. It's a good one. If you've got kids, this is really exciting and fun for them. Do you know what I'm saying? You can even get them to choose their own topics and make their own ones. You know what I'm saying? So YI is Cook and Vibe. You know everything up. YI. So you know everything already, people. We have to have a jerk hot dog. Come on, man, jerk hot dog. So we're gonna put a little bit of jerk seasoning on it, right? We're gonna put the hot dog under the grill, this one, and then we're gonna chop up some Scotch bonnet really nicely and fine and put that on it, all right? So that's the jerk hot dog. All right, after that, we have got the barbecue sauce, all right? We're gonna do some onions, barbecue sauce. We've got some crispy bacon there, and we've got some tortillas just crushed up. So that's one of them. So that's a kind of barbecue bacon hot dog. So we got the jerk hot dog, we got the barbecue bacon hot dog. Here, this is the red, gold and green. Yeah, this is the red, gold and green hot dog. So we have tomato ketchup, mustard and an avocado, which we're gonna blend up nicely. You know what I'm saying? Now is where we're gonna start getting creative, people. All right, we have got rainbow drops and sour cream. Cream, man said cream, you know. Sour cream. Yeah, we got rainbow drops and sour cream. Yo, yeah, so that one's a bit creative, a bit crazy. Not sure how that one's going to taste. That one's for the kids, obviously. And we're going to try maple syrup and popcorn hot dog. Don't know how that's going to taste, but we're going to give it a go. It's Cook on Vibe. We got all our ingredients ready. It's our vibe. All right, people, let's start with the jerk hot dog first. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it, not right to the bottom, but just slightly, yeah? So we can open that up a little bit, cut that a little bit more on this piece. There we go. I don't want to break it, so I don't want to open it too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the jerk seasoning now. Get some of that, and then we're just gonna spread that along there. You see me? So we've got the jerk seasoning inside there. All right, so what we're gonna do is I don't want to really touch this Scotch bonnet with my hands too much, so let's get rid of that part there, and that should be enough. And I am going to just cut that up finely and put that under the grill. You know what I'm saying? And that's the jerk hot dog. YI. YI. I'll fry up some onions then for the barbecue one, you know? Yeah. All right, people, yeah. So the hot dogs are ready. They're done. So let's just get all our toppings on. Do you know what I'm saying? First of all, let's go with this crispy bacon. So let's get the crispy bacon inside there, you get me, and then we get some barbecue sauce. There we go, barbecue sauce in, nice. So we've got the crispy bacon, the barbecue sauce. We chuck a few onions in, yeah. This one's looking nice. Once you've got a few onions in, what's next? The tortillas. So make sure they're nice and crumbled up. that. Should be good for that one. Right, let's go for the red, gold, and green. YI. So, mustard. I'm going to try and line this right. So, could have been a bit more yellow, but yeah, that's good, that's good. Yeah, yellow's there, so let's go for the red. Get the red in there. Like I say, I want to try and get this. Don't come out mad, please. Trying to get, oh, the thing's not even open, people. I'm trying to square it out, it's not even open, man. Whilst I'm opening this, you can just press the like button or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe. Why? All right, here we go. So let's get the red now. Oh, that was too much. That was too much. That was too much. That's gone a bit wrong. Right, what we're going to have to do is going to have to get the avocado now. People, we're going to have to get the avocado down this side. Yeah, that can work. That can work. That can work. Yeah. That can work. Try and make that look a little bit more neater. Fill that little gap in there. Sometimes you got to do it properly, you know what I mean? Cook and vibe. Alright, so at this point, because there's so much avocado, I think we need a little bit more red. Just to fill in that little. Let me squirt out that bit and get that going. Alright, let's go. Oh, chill out, mate. Alright then. So we've got the red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Alright, what's next? Let's go for the sour cream. Alright, get the sour cream in there. I want to get that all across it so the rainbow drops stick to it. And just sprinkle them on top like that. Wicked. Alright, let's go now for the maple syrup. This is going to be definitely a bit strange. I'm not sure if this is going to work. So let's the maple syrup on there. And some popcorn on top. YI. All right. This is how they're looking now. There we have it, people. I ran out of buns on this one, but there you see the jerk one there? The jerk hot dog with Scotch bonnet. Yeah? Maple syrup and popcorn hot dog. We got the rainbow drops and sour cream. We got the red, gold, and green, kind of. And the barbecue crispy bacon. Yeah! You know what I'm saying? Hot dogs! Yeah, let's give them a try. Well, I might need a bit of help here, actually. Yes, people, why? All right, so let's give these a try. First of all, I'm gonna go for the bacon and the crispy bacon and barbecue sauce on. That one's good. That one's good. All right. Next, I might want to cut this now, people, but you know what? I don't want to eat so much hot dog, man. So the red, gold, and green. Let's go for the red, gold, and green. Let me cut that there. Red, gold, and green. Let's go. That actually works. That works. The avocado goes nice. Alright. This way it gets sticky. Actually, we try the jerk one. Jerk hot dog. YI, cook and vibe. Yeah. That's actually alright. It's alright. Ain't the best one out of all of them. That's all right. The jerk hot dog, 5 out of 10. All right, this is where it's going to get a little bit like crazy now. Let's go for the rainbow drops and sour cream. That's actually all right. It's all right. It's all right, actually. Yeah, the rainbow thing works. And the sour cream, yeah. Last one. Yeah. Maple syrup and popcorn. Yeah, surprisingly the maple syrup and popcorn was alright, man. It's alright, isn't it? So, do you know what? I ain't even used all these spices yet. And there's a lot of stuff in the kitchen I ain't even used yet. You see me? But, yeah, hot dogs and go-karting. I hope you enjoy it. You get me? But blessed Sunday, people. Until next week on Thursday, I'm going to try to drop some more episodes, to be honestly. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to drop this one early and then give you another episode on Sunday. Why not? Why I? It's called Kind of Vibe.